Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ELV stainless steel stylus. So we unfortunately don't have any image of the stylus on the box, and there is very little information over here as well, and that's more or less it for this box. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside straight away. Okay, so this is it. This is all we get inside the box. This is what the stylus looks like. It's in a plastic packet. I'm going to take it out of the packet. So this is it. This is what you find inside this particular box. This is the stylus, of course, and these are some extra nibs. I will see how to operate it. Okay, so there we are. This is the nib in question, and you take it out like so. It's very easy actually. All you have to do is pull and it's done. So when you're done working with this, you can replace it with another nib that comes inside this tiny vial, unique looking vial with a nib inside, and this is of course the stylus itself. You can see it's a stainless steel stylus. Okay, I will try and using it. I will try to do some, draw some lines or something like that. There you see, it's working fine. See if I can write digit here. And there you see the stylus works pretty well, in fact. And that's it. That's what you find inside this box. Thank you for watching.